Students, today we are going to start Mathematics Part 2, Lesson number 4, Geometric Constructions. Now before proceeding for this lesson for 10th standard, let us revise some basic constructions which we required for this construction. In 10th standard we have to study construction of a triangle similar to the given triangle, and second construction of a tangent to a circle. Okay, so before that we have to study these basic constructions which you already studied in previous standard right from 6th standard, and these constructions are necessary to construct this construction. So let us see some basic constructions. First construction is to draw perpendicular bisector of a given segment. Example is draw perpendicular bisector of segment AB of length 5.2 cm. So here first we have to draw segment AB of length 5.2 cm. So we have to start measuring from this first line 0. Here you have to take one point. From this you have to draw a segment which represents 5.2 cm, and here we will give name AB. Now let us see how to draw perpendicular bisector. We have to keep the compass on point B and take distance more than half. Like this, you have to take distance more than half and make arcs above this segment and below this segment. Okay, now you have to keep this much distance only. Now keep compass on point A and intersect these arcs. So this way we intersected arcs. Now here you have to give the point of intersection. You have to make here point of intersection and give name other than A and B. So here I am giving P, Q, and draw a line passing through this intersection. And here put arrow. Okay, now here we drawn this line perpendicular bisector. So show here perpendicular sign and it bisected. So show this. And here point of intersection you have to give name. So this way we drawn perpendicular bisector of the given line segment. Okay. Now let us see second construction. To draw angle bisector. Question is draw angle PQR of measure 75 degree and bisect it. So first we have to draw angle PQR having measure 75 degree. So to draw angle PQR, first we have to draw one ray. Here you have to give point and here you have to put arrow. Now we required protector to draw angle. This center we have to coincide on this point, and this line we have to coincide on this ray. And we have to draw 75 degree angle. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and here 75. And then you have to draw arrow. So give name for this angle. Angle is PQR. So here you have to put point P. This vertex is Q. Here R. Now let us see how to bisect this angle. You required compass here. Take convenient distance in this compass keep the vertex Q, keep the compass on vertex Q and make arcs on both the side of these angles this way. Keep the compass on this first arc and make one arc in the interior of the angle. Then keeping the same distance, keep the compass on this another arc and intersect this arc. So here we got point of intersection, and then draw line passing through this vertex and this point of intersection. Here give name S. So this way we constructed the given angle. The angle bisected. So here show the same symbol. So this way we bisected the given angle. Okay. Now let us see next construction. To draw angle congruent to the given angle. Now here I drawn angle ABC. We have to draw another angle which is congruent to this angle. So for that, let us first, we will draw one ray here. I said ray means here you have to give point on one side and put arrow on another side. Now take compass, take convenient distance in the compass, keep the compass on vertex B of angle ABC, make arcs on both the sides of angle ABC like this way. So intersect both the sides of angle ABC. So this much distance we took. Now keeping the same distance, keep the compass on this origin and make arc like this way. Let intersect the side of this angle. This way we have to make arc. Now we have to draw the another angle which is congruent to this angle. That means the measure should be equal. So we have to take this much measure in the compass. See, like this here you have to put arc. See, this much distance you have to take in compass. Make arc here, intersect this arc. Now keep the compass on this arc, on this ray, and intersect this arc this way. Okay. So here we got point of intersection. Now you have to draw the ray passing through this point of intersection and this origin. This way. And here give name angle P, Q and R. So angle PQR is congruent to angle ABC. So this way we constructed the angle which is congruent to the given angle. Followed? Now next construction. To draw perpendicular to the given line at a point on the line. So question is, draw line L, take point P on it. So let us first, we will do this construction. We will draw one line L. Now students, when line is mentioned in the question, so line is not having length. You have to put arrow on both the side here. And here give name line L. Next they gave take point P on it. On this line anywhere take point P. So here I am taking point, give name P. Draw line M perpendicular to the line L at point P. Here at point P we have to draw perpendicular line. There are two methods. You can draw perpendicular directly using protractor. Keep the protractor here at point P and draw 90-degree angle. So that is perpendicular. As you know the definition of perpendicular line. The line intersects the given line at 90 degree. That is perpendicular. Now we will see how to draw perpendicular using compass. Now here in compass, take convenient distance. Keep the compass on point P. Make arcs on both the side of point P on the line L this way. Okay. See, again I am drawing. Keep on point P. Draw arc. One arc is on left hand side. Another arc is on right hand side, which intersect the line. Okay. Now keep the compass on this one of the arcs and take distance more than half. Take distance more than half and make arcs above the line and below the line. Okay, like this way. Now keeping the same distance, keep the compass on this second arc and intersect these arcs. And here we got point of intersection. Give name for this point of intersection A, B. And from this we have to draw line which definitely passes through point P. Here put arrow. Now this line is perpendicular to the line L and the name of this line is line M. So here give line M. So this way we drawn perpendicular to the given line at given point. Followed? Now let us see next construction. Construction 5th. To draw perpendicular line to the given line from a point not on the line. In previous construction we studied the point is on the line. Now here the point is not on the line. So question is, draw line L, take point M outside the line L, draw a line perpendicular to the line L from point M. So let us start the construction. First part is we have to draw line L. So again line means it does not have any length. So this way you have to draw line, put arrow on both the sides, give name L. Second part is take point M outside the line L. This is line L. Outside this line L anywhere take point, give name point M. Now from this point we have to draw perpendicular line. So let us take compass. Now keep the compass on point M. Take distance below this line. Make arcs on this line L like this way. See, this way you have to make arcs. Now keep the compass on one of these arcs. Take distance more than half and make arcs below this line. Keep the compass on another arc and intersect these arcs. Okay. So here we got point of intersection. Now draw line passing through point M and this intersection. This way. And here it is perpendicular. Give here name point P. And the name of this line you can give any name because it is not given in the question. Okay, so here let's give point PMP, let the name of the line is N. So this way we drawn perpendicular line from a point which is not on the line. Next construction, to draw a line parallel to the given line and passing through a given point outside the line. So here first we will draw one line. Name for this line is line L. Outside this line L, take any one point passing through point P. So the name for this point is P. Now to draw this point P, parallel line from point P, we have to draw perpendicular lines, because we studied the definition of parallel lines in 9th standard also, that when two lines are perpendicular to the same line, they are parallel to each other. So we will use that corollary which we studied in 9th standard. So first we will draw perpendicular from point P to line L. So like this we have to do construction. Keep compass on point P, take distance below this line L, make arcs on this line L like this way, keep the compass on one of these arcs, take distance more than half, make arcs below this line, keep the compass on another arc and intersect this arc. This is the point of intersection. Draw line passing through this point P and intersection. The new line which we drawn here, this is perpendicular to line L. We have to draw another line perpendicular at point P, so that the new line is parallel to line L. So for that, take compass, take convenient distance, keep compass on point P, make arc above this point P and below this point P. So this way you have to make arc, then keep the compass on one of this arc, take distance more than half, make arc on both the side of this line, keep compass on this another arc and intersect these arcs. So make point of intersection and draw line passing through this. So here this new line is perpendicular to this line. So give here name, perpendicular sign, and the name for this line is M. So this way we drawn line parallel to the given line. Understood? So these